In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grow a Garden on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join Grow a Garden. So, it is currently an extremely popular experience and you can play it on any platform, including PC, Xbox, and also, of course, PlayStation. So all that you have to do is first look for the experience. I want to make it very clear that I am going to be recording this video on my PC. However, I'm only doing this to get a higher quality. The process is going to be exactly the same, so just follow along and you can get this done. So open the search function, usually by pressing triangle on your controller, and look for Grow a Garden. Or you can browse through the most popular experiences and you should be able to find it. So when you see Grow a Garden, it's as simple as joining it. So choose the option to join the experience here and you will load in immediately. So you might have to download all of the assets, or if you see the option to skip, go ahead and click or press any button to skip. Now you can play. You can use the left joystick to move around, the right joystick to move your camera so you can look at other people, other things, A to jump, or if you are on a PlayStation controller, it is going to be slightly different. I apologize, I'm most familiar with Xbox prompts, and you can examine anything in the world. By using L1 and R1, L2 and R2, you can select the items on your hotbar. So for example, the shovel, I can press the button here, R1, to select it. And you can talk to NPCs and anyone around the world, usually by pressing the square button. Whenever you see this circle, you can use your joystick to highlight the option that you want to select. So for example, who are you? And I'm able to talk with this NPC. I can go over to these ones at the corner and talk to them to get gear, eggs, and other stuff. And it's extremely simple and fun to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grow a Garden on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.